Hello, everyone. This is John Ulzheimer, credit expert formerly of FICO and Equifax. And as of the date of this video, I have been retained as a credit expert in over 325 credit-related lawsuits. All of the information as of the date of the publishing of this video is accurate. Today I'm going to spend a little bit of time talking about credit inquiries. This video won't be more than a few minutes long because frankly there isn't that much to know or to learn about inquiries. And in the grand scheme of things, they are so unimportant that it really doesn't make a lot of sense to spend a whole lot of time spinning your wheels obsessing about inquiries. However, they are part of a credit report. They are considered in credit scoring systems, and so it's important to have a basic understanding of inquiries. First, what is an inquiry? An inquiry is simply a record of access into your credit file. Anytime your credit file is accessed, the credit reporting agencies will post an inquiry on the report so that you can see what party pulled your report and on what date. Behind the scenes, an inquiry is made up of a variety of things. First off, the date of the inquiry is posted on a credit report. The name of the company that pulled your credit report is also part of the inquiry. And then third, something that generally you do not see as a consumer on the consumer disclosure variety of credit reports that you can pull off various internet websites, is what's called a subscriber code or member number, which is essentially the account number of the user of the credit report. And that account number or subscriber code is very important because it defines or identifies the industry from which the company operates. In other words, if a bank pulls your credit reports, there's a code within your member number or subscriber code that identifies that a bank pulled your credit report. So it's really not a secret what type of industry the company comes from that just access your credit report. And that's important because when it gets to determining how the inquiry affects your credit score, it's important for FICO's credit scoring systems and VantageScore's credit scoring systems to know what industry that inquiry comes from. So there are two types of inquiries. All inquiries fall into one of two categories, hard and soft. A soft inquiry is generally an inquiry that you did not give overt permission to allow. So in other words, if an existing creditor pulls your credit report for account management purposes, that'll post a soft inquiry. If a credit card issuer, for example, buys your credit report information from the credit reporting agencies to offer you, make you what's called a firm offer of credit or make you a promotional offer, that also leads to a soft inquiry. When you pull your own credit report, that leads to a soft inquiry. Soft inquiries are not visible to any party other than you, the consumer, so banks can't see them. And second, credit scoring systems do not consider soft inquiries. So you can have 1,000 of them on your credit report, and it's not going to matter because credit scoring systems don't see them. The other type of inquiry, hard inquiries, these are the inquiries that are seen by lenders, they are seen by credit scoring systems. They can have an impact on your credit score, but most of them do not. In fact, the overwhelming majority of inquiries have no impact at all on your credit score, and let me explain why. First off, the hard inquiries can remain on your credit report for 24 months. However, credit scoring systems only see them for 12 months, the first 12 months of their existence. So you can have 100 credit inquiries that are older than 12 months but are still on your credit report, and they will have no impact at all on your credit scores. However, the ones that are less than 1 year old are seen, and there is a possibility that they can have an impact on your score. Again, in the grand scheme of things, inquiries are the absolutely least influential attribute from your credit report as it pertains to your credit score. So again, there's really not a whole lot of value obsessing about inquiries, but for some reason people love to talk about them. The way FICO's credit scoring systems consider inquiries is a little bit unique. If you have a mortgage, an auto, or a student loan related inquiry, generally inquiries that could be indicative of credit shopping or rate shopping, FICO's credit scoring systems ignore them for the first 30 days of their existence. So again, you can have 100 of them, and if they're all less than 30 days old, then they don't have any impact at all on your credit score because FICO's scoring systems don't even see them. Once they come out of that 30-day safe harbor period, so now they're at least 31 days old, then it is a possibility that they are going to be considered and that they can have an impact on your score. However, in the more current versions of credit scoring systems, any auto, mortgage, or student loan inquiries that occur within a 45-day window, meaning that they occur within 45 days of each other, those are considered to be rate shopping events, and those multiple inquiries are going to be treated as a single inquiry in your credit score. So you could have, again, 20 or 30 of them, but if they're all within 45 days and they're either mortgage, auto, or student loan, then those will be considered one shopping event. And if you think about it, the hypothesis makes sense. Most people, when they're rate shopping, are not out looking for 6 or 7 car loans. They're looking for the best deal on one car loan. So the way that the scoring systems will collapse inquiries is really in line with the actual activity of a consumer who's out there attempting to rate shop. Inquiries will fall off your credit reports automatically. You do not have to ask the credit reporting agencies to delete them after some period of time. And again, the hard inquiries are going to be the only ones that you have to be concerned with as it pertains to your credit scores. If you have any other questions about inquiries, post them in the comments section below, and I will do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.